friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing a basic and simple acrylic painting. So if you are thinking to start working with acrylics, then yes, you are at the right place. So here I have started by drawing a bird. So this is the easy way you can draw the bird. So please watch this video till the end to learn even more tricks about acrylics. Drawn a similar bird here, adding on some leaves, flowers, a cage. So you can also add berries, branches, etc. according to your wish. Just you need to get creative and work on the paper, that's all. I am going to erase the whole drawing roughly, leaving on some lines just to understand what I have drawn where, and then I am going to paint on it. So I am painting it light blue and I am also adding some white to give a very light shade. So you can just roughly cover the whole paper with a light blue shade. So I am using number 2 flat brush here. Moving on to the bird, I will first color the whole thing with pink color to make the base, and then add a light pink and red color to create shading. One thing towards creating masterpiece is that you shouldn't worry about the results. Just get messed up with the paints and relieve your stress as you paint. Now moving on to the flowers, I will first color them with white color and then color it with yellow so that I can get a bright shade of yellow color. So just remember, if you want to get bright shade of anything, then please color the base coat with white. This will give your drawing an extremely bright shade. Also going to add a bit of orange shade to my flower. This will give my flower a very beautiful look. So you can see I have created a rough structure of the cage with white color. So this is just rough and I am going to work on it later. the leaves, I have used 3 types of colors here. One is sap green, then is dark green, and then I have used yellow color. Working with the cage properly, giving it proper structure and shape, making it more bright, and I'm also going to make some branches. Now I am going to pull out the tapes that I had put on the border, and yes, I am quite satisfied with this painting. You can either put up this painting on your wall or just put it into an envelope and gift it to your near and dear ones. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did so, then please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.